Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a MetaMask wallet on your Android or mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up our Play Store and do a search. Where it says search apps, type in MetaMask. And here it is here. So go ahead and click on download and install. Time recording, it's got 10 million downloads and over 400,000 reviews. So click install and now give that a few moments to download and install onto your device. Once it's done its thing, we want to go ahead and open up MetaMask. All right, so for the first time opening it, you'll be greeted by this page. Welcome to MetaMask. Let's go ahead and get started. So there's two different ways: wallet setup, import an existing wallet or create a new one. So if you're going to import one using a secret recovery phrase that you've jotted down in the past, you can click on this or click on create a new wallet. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and create a new wallet. And from here, you'll come to this page here and then click on I agree or no thanks. I'm going to say no thanks. Got to accept the terms and have a read. Now you can click accept. And now we need to create a password for your wallet. So create a strong password that you will remember. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Also, you can unlock with fingerprint. I'm going to enable that just to make logging in a lot easier. So now click on create password. And what this is going to do, this is going to go ahead and create your wallet. So from here, we need to secure your wallet. So don't risk losing your funds. Protect your wallet by saving your secret recovery phrase in a place you trust. It's the only way to recover your wallet if you get locked out of the app or get a new device. So we can do remind me later, not recommended, but we can go start, which is highly recommended. So I'm going to go ahead and click on start and now secure your wallet. So from here, write down your secret recovery phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. So from here, we need to go ahead and click on start. Now I need to sign back in. And now from here, we want to click on the view button, tap to review your secret recovery phrase and write this down. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on continue. Then from here, you need to confirm your secret recovery phrase. So select each word in order it was presented to you. Then once you've done that, we'll say, congratulations, your wallet is protected and ready to use. You can find your secret recovery phrase in settings, security, and privacy. So from here, go ahead and click on the done button and then automatically check for security updates. I'll suggest enable automatic security checks. Now from here, you've just successfully created your MetaMask wallet on your Android device. Have fun trading.